Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. This video is for Realme users. Today I am going to tell you some very useful secret tips and tricks of Realme Mobile, so watch the video till end. Let's start the video. The first trick is about freezing apps, which you are not using for a long time. Go to your settings, then Additional Settings, then Process Manager, and here are all the apps. Simply tap on 3 dots and freeze the app which you want to freeze. This will boost your phone's performance. The second feature is about home screen layout. There is default drawer. Home screen layout was applied when you buy a Realme phone. So, if you want to change, press and hold any empty space on your home screen. Then go to Settings, and here in Home Screen Layout, change the layout. Now you can see drawer setting is off. The third one is double tap to unlock your phone screen. To turn on this feature, press and hold empty space. Then go to Settings, scroll down, and here turn on double tap option. Now, when you double tap on your screen, your mobile turns on and also turns off the screen by double tap. When you open your mobile drawer, some apps are on the front line. These are suggested apps, but most of the people dislike this app. To turn off this feature, press and hold the empty space, then open Settings, go to Drawer Settings, and here turn off App Suggestions. Now you can see app suggestions are off. While screen recording on your phone, most of the users want to record their own voice as well, but by default, this option is off. To turn this on, open Settings and search Screen Recording and open it. There are two options, Record Microphone and Record System Sound. You can turn on the option which is useful for you. Let's move towards the sixth trick, which is about Notification Panel. By applying this trick, you can slide down your notification panel anywhere from screen. Press and hold empty space. Go to Settings and here tap on, swipe down on home screen and select Notification Panel. Now, when you swipe down anywhere on your screen, your notification panel slides down. The seventh feature is one-handed mode. To turn it on, go to your settings, search navigation. Here, turn on one-handed mode. You can see the mobile is now in one-handed mode and you can use it easily with one hand. If you want to use your phone for longer time and have a longer battery backup, then follow this. Go to Settings, then Battery. Then more battery settings. Here, open Optimize Standby Mode and select Ultra Standby Mode. By applying this, your phone's battery backup will definitely increase. When you open recent tabs, phone didn't show remaining RAM. If you want to see your phone's remaining RAM, then go to Settings, then Additional Settings, here, open Recent Task Manager and turn on Display RAM. Now, when you open recent tabs, it will show you remaining RAM. That's it for Realme tips and tricks. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video.